Place the 90-degree box section on the floor and insert an end plate into each side. Using a 4.2mm drill bit, drill through the box section and the end plate, making sure you have drilled through the lip on the end plate. This should be approximately 10mm from the edge. Rivet the end plate and box together. Drill 4 holes in total, 2 at the back of the box and 2 on the top. Repeat the process with the other end plate. Remove the protective covering.